by reciting the Nakshatra Sukta, we are getting lot of benefits. And one is the Graha Shanti, Saubhagya Vruddhi, and especially on Janma Nakshatra day, if people were to recite the entire Nakshatra Sukta, they will be having the improvement in their health, prosperity, and spirituality. And again, there is another measure of employment of this. So, Nakshatra Harati is there. So, what people do is, the 27 wicks, with that they prepare the Deepam and they recite the Nakshatra Sukta and Harati Parvaram. And for this kind of Sukta, Parayanam or application, will be able to give us peace and prosperity. But whatever said and all that, so the Nakshatra Sukta is a very significant Sukta, which is having good role in the field of astrology and elsewhere. So we are trying to understand. And one more point you are seeing here is that the Vedic deities are again taking their part or partaking in promoting the prosperity and influence and impact of the nakshatras upon the respective natives also. Because whoever is born upon the earth, they should be born in one of the nakshatras. So something like, so birth is always recognized, connected to the nakshatra. Therefore, the nakshatra is a very important mode of prayer that we can remove the doshas, if at all, because nakshatras also are having the dosha. So in the natives, so nakshatra dosha could be removed, and so this particular sukta has a number of advantages, and it hardly takes some time. But so, and there is a homa is there, nakshatra homa, sukta homa. Applications are terrible and very wide, but at least we can do the parayana of the Nakshatra Sukta whenever possible, especially on some special days. It was advised on Ugadi day, on the beginning, Pratipat day, if we were to recite definitely Nakshatra Sukta, it will have a big beginning and many benefits. And again, so this particular Nakshatra Sukta is very much important, and the vibrations will tell you that the effects are immense, and therefore we have come to know about Ashwini Nakshatra, where the divine physicians, Ashwini Devatas, who are twins and who are always wearing the Pushkaras Raja. Pushkaras Raja means the lotus garland. Our Yavaglu, ಈ ಕಮಲ ಪುಷ್ಪಗಳ ಮಾಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, because the kamala or the lotus is very significant one. You know, for example, Lakshmi Devi is there in that. When you say Padma Priye, Padmini, Padmahaste, Padmalaye, Padmadala, Yatakshi. So Padma, Padma, Padma is there. And Kamala, Kamala, Yatakshi, Kamala. So like that, this Kamala or Padma, whatever that is there. And this Ashwini Devatas, they are the divine erstwhile physicians. Rather, Ashwini Devatas will protect even those people who are helping you to get rid of the ailments. Because the Ashwini Devatas, Ashwini or Prathamo Daivyo Bhishaku, or the physicians are called Bhishajau. What does it mean? They may not appear before you, but they will drive the mind of the doctor concerned in a positive way that you will get the results quickly and you will be healed. You will be removed from the pain. Therefore, don't think that Ashwini Devatas will come and no, Ashwini Devatas do work upon the mind of the respective bhishaks who are connected to us. Prathamo Daivyo Bhishaku means That is the meaning of one of the meanings that you can acquire. That's why Tau Nakshatram Judushano Upayatam. So Tau Nakshatram Judushanaha. Jushanaha, Jujushanaha. So making that particular success nakshatra people to be more peaceful and helpful and cured of the ailments, they should come closer. That's why nakshatram judushanaha upayatam. I explained to you that they should come near you, to your doors, inside your door. And ultimately what you do to the divine physicians, Namo Ashvibhyam Krunumaha. See, the language here in Yajurveda is direct, simple, understandable, ordinarily. Unlike the mantras of Yajurveda, Rigveda and other Vedas, they are very much deeper in the significance and meaning and communication and suggestions. But here at least you have got a direct one. So Ashvibhyam Namaha. We bow down and simply not Namaha, but Krunumaha. You understand the word Krunumaha means perform the Namaskara. So Krunumaha and Namaha have got special signification, saying that you have to compulsorily do the job, not simply say orally Namaha, but you should also make some physical effort to do that. And Ashva Yugbhyam. And these are the Ashva Yuga. That means the Ashwini Nakshatra is Subham. Subha Nakshatra. And Ashwini Nakshatra is governed by the Ashwini Devatas. And they are so universal that they are the physicians even for the gods. You know, in our Yajurveda, we have got a sacrifice called Sautramani Yajna, and in Sautramani Yajna, Ashwini Devatas also take a very important role, and all the gods become doctors and paramedical personnel and so on. See that Indra, who was broken with multiple injuries, and he was rejuvenated, and so he was made again Sutraman, well healed, well protected, highly strong. So like that, we have got Devanam Bhishajau. They are the Bhishajau, the doctors of the gods. And moreover, Havyavahau, that means the nutrition. So whatever Havya has been given, the taste has been added to that. You understand, whenever we are doing the Homa, we are making offerings. When we are making the offerings, every offering is touched by the ghee. So there is that Ghrutasparsha. And therefore, the taste of the offering that you are making to the gods automatically increases when it has got the touch of the ghee. Therefore, that's important. You are not giving a dry offering to gods, but you are giving every offering touched by the ghee. And that's why even we are also advised to start eating the food after abhikara, ghruta abhikara. When all the food is served to you, we are talking of the regular Brahmanic way of eating. There is a Pisachi way of eating, Rakshasa way of eating, and so on. And what you call as a buffet, standing and eating, walking and eating, and putting your plate upon your lap and then eating. So many dirty habits have become up by us. In earlier days, when we were young earlier, you may be remembering that we are supposed to sit with muddy or without stitched garment and then make pratshana, Gayatri Smarana, and all that is there. That's what is called Brahmi way of eating. But generally people have lost that. Therefore, so many new viruses have come into being, and doctors will say, if I am suffering virus. He has no definition for it. Now, Let's go to the next one. Please repeat. Apapapmanam bharanir bharantu tadyamo raja bhagavan vichashtam lokasya raja mahato mahanhi sugam nappantham abhayam krunotu yasmin nakshatre yamayete raja yasmin nenam abhyashinchanta devaha tadasya chitragum avishaya jama apapapmanam bharanir bharantu. So you have seen the explanation also a little last class. Again I am pointing out to you, this is the only one nakshatra where you have the first line and last line the same. Satyasri avare nodta idira, mark markoli. Apapapmanam bhara, that is the importance given to the Bharani nakshatra and importance given to the Lord of the Bharani nakshatra. And Bharani refers to the ground, Bhuloka. And so Bharati means tolerance. The power of tolerance is called Bharati. So unless your support is only the forbearance and bear the weight. Something like it said, Sthanu Rayam Bharaharaha. So the Sthanu, the pillar, the support is only to always constantly bear the weight. That means to say the power of tolerance tumba hechide. So here Bharanihi papmanam bharantu, apabharantu. Bharantu means hold on. Apabharantu means remove. It's a negative sense. So yenen papa galidiyo, yenen dosha galidiyo, all those doshas have got to be cancelled by the power of this, because that Yamo Raja Bhagavan, because the Bhagavan Yama is the Raja, is the governor, and who is able to fulfill our desires. Who is he further? Lokasya Raja. This Yama, you got Yama mythology here, and he is the Raja for all the lokas. Or rather, loka also means people. So for all kinds of people, Yama is the Antamo. So Yama Raja and Mahan Mahataha. If there are Mahan people are there, great people are there, this Yama is greater than the greater people. Therefore, that is the highest importance that Yama occupies in the mythology or in the world of gods. And therefore, you make a prayer to God. This is a Ashirvada mantra also. And this occurs in this mantra, Sugam Nahanadu. Innu Mahanyasdalli baratte, ellarate baratte. It's a very popular mantra because whatever best we want, that is there. The mantra is Sugam Nappantham Abhayam Krunotu. See, Abhayam Naha Krunotu. May the God Yama make fearless. What he has to make the fearless? Pantha, the journey of life, the approach and the activity that you are doing, it should lead to success but not to any problem of fear. Sugam, not only that, Sugam, Sukhena Gantum Yogyam Sukham. So Sugam Pantha means the marga must be very well easy for us to trod on. And again, as you are moving in the road, it should not be filled full with the fears, rather abhayam krunotu. And in this nakshatra, yasmin nakshatre yamaha raja eti. So Raja Yamaha Eti. So Yama will be chasing us always. You know that. Yama, we don't think that Yama yellow biddidare antalla. Pratidina, ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಮನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. That's why there is one beautiful Telugu poem I must have told you. Gadiyarambu takku takku mani vegam kottu శబ్దంబు వెంబడి ఆయుష్యములు ఒక్కటొక్కటిగా సోపానంబులు దిగ్గున్. As the clock pendulum is keep on making sound, tuck 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 tuck, that is, it is chasing us. Kala Purusha is chasing us, and our lifetime also is getting diminished slowly and slowly and slow. So Yama is there. Similarly, there are four enemies, there are four Shatrus. So note madkoli. First one, Surya Bhagavan. Second is Agni. Third is Vayu. Fourth is Chandra. Chandrama, in Aruna Prashna, it will come to you, Chandrama Chaturuchyate. So, Surya, Agni, Vayu, and Chandra, these are all our Mrutyus. So, Mrutyuna Nudamanaha. So, every day there is a minus for us, but that we are not conscious. Something like when you are looking at your mirror right from your childhood, and now you look at your mirror and face your reflection, you are not sad. How? Because every day we are watching our picture or reflection in the mirror, noting that change in the body stature and complexion, etc. We are not crying every day. That's how the Yama will strike us. See, death strikes unknowingly to us. So we don't know, but everybody may be knowing the birth date, but nobody can imagine the birth. But in Ajamala Vyakhyana, in Bhagavatam, it is said that Vyasa Bhagavan tells you Ajamala Vyakhyana is very important. Haudenappa Srinivas ಮಧ್ವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಗೌರವ ಅಜಾಮಲ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಹರಿವಾಯು ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ one ಶ್ಲೋಕ, 1.5 ಶ್ಲೋಕ. I never reflected so deeply about it, but this time so many 72 people are there in that. They are recording and putting in their website. So latest also, still one more there, some more are there. ಎನಿವೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ಹರಿವಾಯು ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಯು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಎನಿವೆ, ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯಮಯೇತಿ ರಾಜ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಯಸ್ಮಿನ್ನೇನಮಭ್ಯಸಿಂಚಂತ ದೇವಾಃ, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ and coronated him, because Yama is a very important one. ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಯಮನ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಮಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಒಂಚೂರು ಅನ್ನ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಮ ಸ್ಮರಣ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಚಿತ್ರಗುಪ್ತಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಯಮಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಸರ್ವಭೂತೇಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಪೋಷಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Because of all the asanas that you are going to eat, first apaha, the water is your food. After sipping the water food, then you can sip the other food. That is our Indian Vedic tradition, sampradaya. So tadasya chitragum habishaya jama. So chitram habishaya jama. Yake, we are asking that Yamadeva or Bharani Nakshatra Devatas to see that papmanam. We have got lot of papmanam, karma. Because of the papa that we have got, we are all born in the world. Whenever our punya operates, we laugh. When papa operates, we cry. We become morose. Therefore, we want punyam to work on us more than the papam. And whatever papam is there to be gone out. Therefore, when you make the Nakshatra Sukta Parayana, and also there in Bharani Nakshatra, then Yama will try to outwit all kinds of sins that we have got and make you pure. Now we go to Amavasya, beautiful concluding mantra. Om Niveshani Sangamani Vasunam Vishwarupani Vasunya Veshayanti Sahasraposhagum Ubhagararana Naagan Vachasa Samvidhana Yatte Deva Adadhuhu Bhagadeyam Amavasye Amvasanto Mahitva Sano Yagnam Piprushi Vishvavare Rayinno Dhehi Subhage Suviram. So here Amavasya is a Stri Devata. So you observe Amavasye is the addressal to her, and what you are requesting that Amavasya, the final time, is Subhage. She is a very fortunate lady or Devata. So what she has to pursue? Suviram Brayinno Dhehi. To give you very good children, prosperous children, prosperous progeny, and also wealth, Rayi. Rayinno. And again, Yagnam Pipruhi Vishvavare. So she has to be satisfied more and more repeatedly with the kind of worship or offering or any devotion that we do to them. So you're asking Vishvavare Pipruhi and Rayinno Dhehi. And really, what is the meaning of the word Amavasya? So, Ama andre nama longer anta artha, together anta artha. Vasya andre to dwell anta. Amavasya andre to dwell together. Ibru ond kade irodu. Yaribru ond kade irtare andre Surya Chandra ibru ಸೇರ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Surya Chandra ibru ond kade irodಕ್ಕೆ Amavasya ಅಂತಾರೆ. Because both of them are there in the night together, they cohabit the time. So aವಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, complete darkness. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ವಾಸನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. There are number of rays of sun, and one of the names of the name sun is Ama. So Ama ಎಂಬ ಕಿರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರನು, he must have lost all his digits. So he became zero and he gets recharged. Therefore, he cannot be, when he is getting charged in the Ama letter, he cannot be present elsewhere. Therefore, no moon day. Amavasya, na andre no. Ma andre Chandra. Avasya andre no, there. So there is no moon at all. It's called Amavasya. And the other day also it is called a moon day. Andre Chandraniga Habba Divasa, Amavasya Divasa. Therefore, among all Amavasyas, people on Deepavali Amavasya, significantly, people worship Lakshmi and Ganesha. Because Amavasya is supposed to be a remover of all unauspicious things. And so, sometimes people who are born Amavasya day, Nandan, they become very prosperous. Amavasya ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, there will be great engineers, doctors, philosophers, ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಪ್ಲೆಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ದಿವಸ ಕೆಲವರೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ there are very good number of articles on the word Amavasya, and that I just want to equip you with the knowledge that Amavasya is good. And moreover, when it is good, Kritika nakshatradalli, Kritika andre Agni nakshatra. So Amavasya and Kritika nakshatra, when they join, then it is really a problem. Illa, together ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Otherwise, an Amavasya is also a great power. You know, on Amavasya day, some people fast and do puja next day. So there are so many vratas on Amavasya. Anyway, here there is a general knowledge given to us regarding Amavasya. That is, now let's come to the mantra. Vasunam Sangamani. See, Vasunam Sangamani is Amavasya. That is, Sangamana andre make you become richer and come to you all fortunes. Then Vishwa Rupani Vasunya Vesayanti. Amavasya has got scope to take different forms. Vishwa Rupani Nivesayanti, giving out. In other words, it is called it is giving us a lot of agricultural operations are also started, because Amavasya cannot be totally banned. It is also useful for certain specified purposes. So, and again, Sahasra Poshagum Subhaga Rarana. ಆ ತಾಯಿ ಎಂಥವಳಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಭಗ, ಭಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ. ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸುಭಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಖವಂತವಾಗಿರುವ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡವಳು. ಅಂಡ್ ರರಾಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಜಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಾಂತಿಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಸಹಸ್ರ ಪೋಷಗಂ, ಸೊ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ prosperity in multifold forms. And Amavasya, and that kind of Amavasya Devata, ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಮ್ಮ, ನ ಆಗನ್ ವರ್ಚಸ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪೌರ್ಣಿಮೆ ಪಾಡ್ಯಮೇ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ is zero and everything starts from zero. You know, for example, Bhiman Amavasya Habba, Deepavali Amavasya Habba. Between two Habbas, between two Amavasyas, all our Indian festivals are there. After Deepavali Amavasya, Barodilla, Jayantigalu. A Jayanti, Jayanti, Ella Baratte. And therefore, Te Yat Devaha Bhagadeyam Adaduhu. So, Amavasya Devata, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಾಗಧೇಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಚೂನ್, ಭಾಗಧೇಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಚೂನ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ದೇವತಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದೇವತಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಮಹಿತ್ವಾ ಸಂವಸಂತಹ. ಮಹಿತ್ವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪವರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪವರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಪೂಜೆಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಂತ್ರದ ದ್ವಾರ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಗಳು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್ ಆಫ್ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ 12 o'clock in the night ಮಶಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಶವದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಪ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತಾರೆ. That's all very tough jobs which people negative do it. But anyway, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಮಹಿತ್ವ ಸಂವಸಂತಹ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದಿ mythology or the power of the ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಂಡಿಂಗು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗು ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ. ಸೊ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ according to this Ajurveda Nakshatra Sukta, in doubts it will also doubt for me. So between the, I already told Purnima, then middays between that Padami to Amavasya, Padami is that 27 ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳಲ್ವಾ ಈ 27 ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಈ 30 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. there is some kind of division. So all this goes into the purview of astrology. ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಾಶಿಗಳು ನೋಡಿ, ಲಗ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, planets. In fact, there is a good correlation between the Navagrahas and 27 nakshatras. 9 into 3 into 27. So, like that, there is a kind of correlation. ಈ ನವಗ್ರಹ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ, ನವಗ್ರಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಸೂಕ್ತ, ದೆನ್ ಘೋಷ ಶಾಂತಿ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಹೋಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. To bring about happiness and peace and prosperity on one hand, and on the other hand, removing these doshas. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ದೋಷಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ದೋಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆಲವು ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೂಮ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಮಹಿತ್ವ ಸಂವಸಂತಹ ಮಹಿಮದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದವ ದಟ್ ಪಟ್ಲ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಾನೋ ಯಜ್ಞಂ ವಿಶ್ವವಾರೇ ಪಿಪೃಹಿ. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆ ತಾಯಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಾರೇ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಯಜ್ಞಂ ಪಿಪೃಹಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಯಜ್ಞದಿಂದ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ with the kind of yajna or worship that we do. And again, what she should bless, raihi rayim naha dehi. Naha andre navellargu, andre artha eno, a person who resides or group of people who reside, and also all the connected relations in the world, they also get the benefit because she is subhage. She is one who provides happy prosperity, experienceable prosperity and peace. Sukham bhaga and sulabham bhaga, sushtu bhaga and saubhagya. And also suviram. There may be heroes. They should not, all heroes could be, those strong people, they will be villain. Ravana is the villain for Rama and Sita life. Therefore, that villain was destroyed by Rama to get back Sita and continue his peaceful life, so he thought. But Rama is born not for enjoyment. Ayo Rama antivalva. Rama is never Aho Rama. Lakshmana is Aho. Lakshmana is Aho ankandre avella Lakshmananiಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಗಳೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. He has more, he is an emotional fellow and emotional filled fellow, and also peaceful, calm, tolerant fellow. That is Rama and Lakshmana is a great combination. Therefore, Ramanannu yavagu Lakshmana. So Rama says, Lakshmanaha Sumitranandavardhanaha bahi pranascharaha bahi. It is only Rama's life that is moving outside. That's what Lakshmana is there. So prano bahischaraha. Anyway, so Rayinnodehi Subhage Suviram. So with this we end the Nakshatra Suktam, and next class we'll start the Navagraha Suktam. But if you have any doubts on this, recitation, I am just giving you also recitation practice. So if one person is reciting, the other persons also would be getting the familiarity of recitation. Correct agi ನೀವು ರೆಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ it will have benefit. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ see ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಸೂಕ್ತ, ನವಗ್ರಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ, all these suktas are general medicine or universal, which is not only helpful to you but helpful to all. Therefore, you anytime, whenever possible, at least a mantra or two mantras or full mantras of Nakshatra Sukta could be practiced. Because now you are all having good stock, storage. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವೇದ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಸೂಕ್ತಾಸ್ ಬೈ ನೌ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಗಾಳಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಪುಷ್ಪಕ ವಿಮಾನ ತರಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಪುಷ್ಪಕ ವಿಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು, ಹೌಎವರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಪುಷ್ಪಕ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಮೋರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. Therefore, when Sita was returning over on flight with Rama, Lakshmana and Sugriva and Anjaneya, Vibhishana, then Sita really felt, how not, I take the entire family members of the Vanaras also, because these heroes have helped us a lot. So they landed in Kishkinda. They collected all Vanara Stree and Vanara families and went to, because they were very anxious to see the celebration by Maharajas in a city. Ayodhya is a city. Kishkinda is not a city. Probably I don't know whether you visited Kishkinda in Hampi. In Hampi, there is a Kishkinda area where Tungabhadra river flows, and there are many caves also, supposed to be the dwelling place of all Vanaras. Now I don't know. I visited that Kishkinda in Hampi long years back, and Tungabhadra river, Tunga river was flowing and such a sweet water and all that. Anyway, so here, Subhage Suviram Rayam no Dehi. Why are you making prayer repeatedly to any divinity that is chosen by you? Is a good question, is it not? Why should you pray? And whenever you pray, you are asking for XYZ, PQR, and so on. Why? Because we are all born, I think, with some set wealth, and we may not be living fully life to be able to enjoy everything that is meant for us. Therefore, we have to make a prayer to activate all that we enjoy the best during the lifetime. So that's why we always say Subhage Suviram Rayam, then Dehi. So when we make prayer to gods are there ready to intensify the experience of the pleasures, so that the dullness or laxity in them, I think, is being avoided. So the delays are being delayed. As a result, you will get the results quickly. That's why you say Sadhya Prasadinyai Namo Namaha. You say like that. Again, Sadhyo Jatam Prapadyami, Sadhyo Jataya Vai Namo Namaha. Because Sadhyo Jata and Sadhya, that is immediate. We do not want to wait. We want to have the experience of the positive results as much as possible, as early as possible. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿರೋಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಭಾವ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಮೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಾಸ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವೇದ ದೇವತೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನವಗ್ರಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಆಗಲಿ, then even Punya Vachana mantras, which I think Hassan is telling, in the Punya Vachana mantras, you have got some mantra from here. You remember? Rudhyasma Havyaihi Namasopasadya Mitram Devam Mitradheyam Noastu Anuradhan Havisha Vardhayantaha Shatam Jive Masharadhasavira. ಅನುರಾಧ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯವಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ವಾಚನ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಈ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿನಿಯೋಗ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ. ವೇರೆವರ್ ದಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೆಮ್, they do fix relevantly there and yield you the relevant bulk. Therefore, The Nakshatra Sukta mantras are highly potential, powerful, and significant. And again, the gods have taken role in the nakshatras. And nakshatra, I told you the meaning is that there is a mapping of our stars. Mapping the stars means mapping our own wealth, our own lifetime positively in that particular sheet, graph sheet, and see that we enjoy the maximum benefit. If you so, we have covered the entire Nakshatra Suktam for some days. So we are lucky to spend some time on this Nakshatra Sukta. Then we go to the astrology. No, the Navagrahas. Grahas, the word Graha means to cup. Actually, Graha means cup, bearer, catch. So the Navagraha catches. We are able to understand next. So you meanwhile, 1 week's time is there. You please contemplate, and if at all anywhere you don't understand, let's spend time to have a discussion on that and then go to that. Om Swasti.